So hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get access to latest Claude and ChatGPT models completely for free and without any cost, without any single penny. And this is a complete legit and safe method, and it's very easy and convenient method you can use. So let's get into the video. So first of all, open the Chrome browser and here VS Code. We are going to use all the models in the VS Code. So click on download and here we need to download VS Code. Open VS Code now. Okay. After opening VS Code, here I come to the extension sections and type here Roo Code, ROOCOD. Make sure you install the right one. Wait for a few seconds, and here is the extension, the agent we are going to use. So this is Roo Code. Install it from here. I have already installed. So let's get some setup here. So click on get started. Now here we need to add our API key from where all our models will be provided completely free. So in the description box, the WhatsApp channel link will be given from where you can go and access, and by joining with my link you can get daily $25 completely for free on daily sign up. So make sure you join our WhatsApp channel, and from there you open this website named Agent Router. Okay. So come to this website, sign up here through my link, and you don't need to pay anything, and you will get daily 25 USD, and I already have a quite good balance. So after that, coming here in the pricing section, if you see, you can easily see all the models that we can use completely for free. So here we have ChatGPT 5.5, ChatGPT 5.6 latest, Claude Opus 4.6, Claude Opus 4.8, the GLM 5.2, Kimi K3. These all are the models that we are going to use completely for free. So after that, come to console section, and here you will see API token section. Click on API token, then click on create token. Here we will create a new token, a new API key for ourselves, so that we can use it and we can get access to the models completely for free. So you can name it anything. I'm naming in testing VS Code Roo. Okay, so here click on never expired, so that this token never gets expired, and the quantity will be 1. The quota setting, make it unlimited quota. Okay, and then access restriction, leave it like that, no need to change anything, and then click on submit. After clicking on submit, you can see we have got our token API key. So click here and copy it. After here, come back to the VS Code, and here in the API provider, type here OpenAI. Okay, OpenAI, and here you will see OpenAI compatible. Click on OpenAI compatible. Don't select any other option, only select OpenAI compatible, this one. After this, you can zoom it out so that you can see all the boxes. So here, base URL. In the base URL, it's important step. Copy this. Okay, don't need to copy console/token. Don't copy this, only copy this section and paste it in the base URL, and after this type v1. Okay, it's important step. And after that, API key, the API key which we copied earlier, this is the API key we are going to use. Click on the API key, paste it here. After that, click on the model. Okay, so now when you come to the pricing section, you will see that the models which we can use. So copy the name of the model, give it a second. Okay, so now the model which you want to use, select it from here. We will go for ChatGPT 5.5. So copy it from here by double clicking on it, and search it here and click on that specific model, ChatGPT 5.5. When we select it, come down here, and we will zoom in back so you can see it easily. Okay, so now max output token we will set here 8000, and the context window size will be 90,000. 90,000. Okay, so now the setup is done. Okay, no need to click on any other thing. Click on finish. Okay, so now here you can see, first let's test it. Hi. Okay, so here you see we are getting response from the API key, and the API is successfully working. So when you come here in the console section, and when you come to usage log, you will see here, it just gave a log that this code just ran for how long, everything is showing here. So the model is working correctly, and the ChatGPT 5.5 model is now working here completely for free. Now we need to do some settings. Come here, and after that you need to do some good settings that will be very helpful for you. Let's increase the size of this. Okay, so come to the modes. Okay, so here all the options are given. If you want to give some rules, some like stuff, if you want to make some changes to the models, how they react, and after coming here, click on auto approve. In the auto approve, enable it, and then click on read, write, MCP, mode, subtask, execute, and don't click on question. Okay, and then don't make any changes. So after that, come to skills. Okay, you will see here you can add a skills like Claude or ChatGPT to that model, and yeah, all the setup is done. So this is how you can use it completely for free. Okay, so keep in mind, always save this, and from here you have one other option, you can add more profiles. Okay, so here you can see that when I gave a simple command here, write a short code on introduction to VS Code, best short HTML code, so it gave me the code completely, like it wrote the whole code in just a millisecond. So the best part is that you can write code, make SaaS applications, portfolios, every kind of development, and it's completely for free, unlimited usage. But you need to use it through my WhatsApp channel. The link will be given in the description. Make sure like, share, and subscribe. And new methods, tools, resources will be coming completely for free. So turn on the notification and bell icon. And thanks for watching.